Hello all, welcome to the channel, and today in this video we shall see what exactly is FizzBuzz program and how to write that program. So I'll try to give a glance what exactly is this. So let's say you're given a number 3. Instead of that number 3 you should be able to print fizz. Instead of number 5 you should be able to print buzz. Instead of the number which is divisible both by 3 and 5 you should be able to print FizzBuzz. So that's what is this program all about. So let's start. So I'll take a loop. I'll try to print a number from 0 to 100 and I'll keep on increment. Okay, now I'll take a string str. So basically I'll take an empty string and now I'll write down the condition. If my given number is divisible by 3, then on that local variable str I'll input a value called as fizz. I'll just copy and paste the program from here to here. Okay, so if my number is divisible by 5, then I should be able to print buzz. And now I'll print everything. So system out println, let's give a space plus plus, in other words concatenation. Okay, so I and str semicolon. Cool. Now I should be able to get proper output. Yes, I'm getting 0 is okay. It's okay, even if we have 0 it doesn't matter. 3 fizz, 5 buzz, 6 fizz, 9 fizz and 15 fizz buzz. Yes, our program is working. Okay, let's give a space of one line break. Okay, and let's start with 1. Cool. Now I should be able to get some space after each line. Okay, so the program is working. I hope you like this video. So that's it for this video. Please do hit on that like button and also do consider subscribing for more future videos like this.